the mall where I went. Okay, while I'm waiting for my brother, this is our church. This pa. Ano, yung liempo. Liempo. Walang longganisa.
Sahin ka pa din? Magluto ka naman.
May kanin pa doon. Baka gusto mong kumain.
Sahin ka pa ba?
Magsasaing. May bahaw pa doon eh. Okay, we're almost there. We're here.